Give me a minute, and let me tell you a story. On June 18, 1964, a group of black civil rights activists were attacked while swimming in the pool at the Monson Motor Lodge in St. Augustine, Florida. While peacefully protesting racial segregation, the group was assaulted by the hotel's owner, James Brock, who attempted to drive them out by pouring acid into the water. Though there were no fatalities, several people sustained injuries, highlighting the extreme violence and hatred faced by those fighting for racial equality in the South. A series of photographs from the incident made headlines in newspapers across the country. The shocking images drew the attention of President Lyndon Johnson, as well as Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., who came to St. Augustine to directly confront Brock in a show of solidarity. Similar protests occurred in the days that followed at pools and beaches nationwide. These so-called swim-ins rallied support for the passage of the Civil Rights Act, which was signed into law less than a month later on July 2, 1964. I'm James Edward Mills of the Deutsche Project, and this has been an Unhidden Minute.